Hi, in this tutorial we will see how we can do a kitchen sink. It will be a quick tutorial, so we will go really fast. First, you need a sink, of course, like this. I have modeling that. And you can see I have put already some texture with the metal and for the rest here. After when it's done, you can create a sphere. The first thing that you can do is go to the tape here, you press tab, and after you can select the border here with Alt. So you can go here and press Alt to select everything like this. After you can press Shift S, cursor tool selected to snap that. After you can exit, you press Shift A and you can add a sphere like this. It's really too big, so you can put that really small. So here I think 0.7 will be nice. You need some segments, so don't put too low segments here. We will move that inside, so I go here, I press G and I move inside like this. Okay, perfect. After it will be the drop of the water here, so we can add a physics modifier here. You can add a fluid, and after you can add flow. And you change the flow type to liquid. You can check initial velocity, and we can put -2 because we want that vertically. After you need a cube for the domain. The domain must take the kitchen sink and also the top here of the tap here. To do that, I click here, I press Shift S, cursor to select it, and we can add a cube here. It's really too big, so we can adjust the cube. Okay, don't forget, it must also take the sphere in the cube, and we will convert that to a domain here. So I go to the fluid, I change that to the domain here. You can change the resolution division to 64. If it's too low, it will not calculate. After, what we can do, we can animate here the button. So I go here, I go to the object, and I will rotate just one axis. It will be the y-axis. You can change also in the domain type to liquid. After you can select the sphere here, and you can change the flow behavior to outflow. We want that the animation start just when the tap is open. So we can go in this frame, -1. When it's done, you can select the sphere and we can start the animation. So I go just 2 seconds, -1, and we can check use flow, and we can insert a keyframe. For the sphere here, you can select the sphere and you can change the flow behavior to inflow. And after you can let -z. After, you can go to the first image and you can calculate the animation. Before to do that, we can hide also the domain. So I will go here, I go to the top here, and you can go here. I just unactivate that and I press E to create a keyframe on that. On the domain, you can also put a material for the water. So I create a new one. And I will just put the transmission to 1, because it's transparent, and the roughness to 0. And when everything is done, you can go to the first image and you can calculate the animation. So now I can show you the animation. So I press play. And it will give that. I have just opened the sink, and after the water is just flowing, but I don't cover the other parts. It's just to show you for this tutorial. And you can see the nice result here. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you for our next tutorial. Bye.